5x minus 15 over 25x. So this starts really getting to what's important to us, which is figuring out how to graph these later on. So first thing I notice is this is a binomial divided by a monomial. When they're not like, so these to me are not like polynomials, there's basically no canceling you can do unless you can factor this. The only way to cancel anything from a monomial is with another monomial. Same thing. Anything as soon as the degree is higher than 1, so binomial, trinomial, polynomial degree 4, etc., the only way to cancel them out is you got to have the exact same factor. So if it's a binomial, you got to have the exact same binomial factor, etc. So that's basically the long way of saying is we got to factor everything we can. If it's a monomial, we don't factor. But up top, the binomial has a GCF of 5, so I'm factoring that out, and it's still over 25x. Now, the 5 and the 25x are both monomials, so if they have any common factors, we can divide those out. So 5 goes into 5 once, so that's going to just cross off the 5, and then 25 divided by 5 is 5, so that leaves a 5x in the denominator. So I end up with x minus 5 over 5x, and that's my solution. What you want to be careful of is right now, this is a binomial on top and a monomial in the bottom. You cannot cancel out. Those x's look like it's really tempting and students often want to cancel those. You cannot cancel them out because they're not like polynomials. If there was an x in both terms, then you'd be able to factor it out and then you'd have a monomial and you could cancel out the x.